Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to format a drive. Being it USB drive, external drive, any drive. I'm going to show you how you can format a drive. So first we have to identify the drive we are going to format. So obviously we have to insert our drive. So this is the drive I'm going to format, USB F. So first, if I don't want to lose the items on the drive, I have to make backup, which means I have to store the files in another location so that when I format the drive or when I clean the drive, I will not lose whatever is on the drive. So formatting your drive simply means that you want to make space for another data next time. Okay, so for my drive, I've already done backup here. So I've saved all my files on my desktop. So the first step we'll right click on the drive. Then we'll go to format. So with formatting, we have quick format and the full format. For the quick format, it will only delete the files on the USB drive. When you make quick format, it will only delete the files on the USB drive. But when you use full format will check for bad sectors on the USB drive and see if there are viruses or something like that on the drive. Then it will format everything. So that's the difference: quick format and full format. Then when you look here, we also have the file system, and in the file system we have NTFS, which is new technology file system. So for this NTFS, it is it is best for Windows drive. So when I say Windows drive, a bootable drive, maybe a drive you want to use for Windows installation or something, it is so NTFS is best for that drive. And one advantage is it can support large files. It can support file permissions and journaling. So when you want to use your drive for Windows installation, or you want your drive to contain large files, it is better for you to use NTFS when you are formatting your drive. And let's look at one disadvantage of NTFS is that it has limited compatibility with non-Windows systems. So if you are inserting that drive into maybe a system which doesn't contain Windows operating system, like maybe another computer which is having Ubuntu or Linux operating system, it doesn't function better on that drive or on that machine. It doesn't function to its full limit on that machine. It is limited. Okay, so let's look at the second one, which is FAT32. The FAT means file allocation table. So file allocation table 32. When you choose this one is common for USB drives and older systems. So one advantage is it's it has wide compatibility across different operating systems, different devices. So if you insert your drive which has file allocation table 32, it can function correctly on any operating system, being it Linux, being it Ubuntu. Yes, but it has a limit. It is limited to files no larger than 4 gigabytes, which is a partition size limit of 8 terabytes. Yes. Let's look at the exFAT. exFAT means extended file allocation table. And for this one, it is ideal for flash drives and external hard drives. Yes. And it also supports large files, and it is compatible with both Windows and Mac OS, which means it is not compatible with the others, Linux, Ubuntu, but it is compatible with Windows and Mac OS. So if you are going to use your drive on a Ubuntu operating system or a Linux operating system, you don't have to choose this one, exFAT, because it is not going to work. Yes. So let's start our format. So for me, I am going to use FAT32. Then I am going to label I'm going to give my drive a name. So I'll call it EKB. Yes. I won't use quick format because I want it to check for bad sectors. Then in case there is any virus or something, it will clear every single thing. So I am not going to use the quick format. I'm going to use the full format. So I've unchecked the quick format. So let's start. So they said, warning, formatting will erase all data on this. To format this, click OK. To quit, cancel. So here I'm going to click OK to format. Okay, so our formatting is done. So basically, this is how we format our USB or hard disk drive or any drive at all. So now the name has changed to EKB. Yes, and there is nothing in the drive. So one advice I'll give you is that make sure when you are about to format your drive, you select the correct drive, and you have to make backup, or else you are going to lose all your files. Yes, so make sure you eject the drive well so that you avoid corruption, or else when you eject it like that, you might corrupt the drive. Yes. Okay. So guys, this is the end of our video. Thanks for watching. Please do well to like and subscribe. See you in another video. Peace out.